students, welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now. I promise to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in the comment box. So dear students, today we will start. We have completed the whole syllabus of class 7's. Then today in this video I will teach you the whole chapter rational number. This video contains the full chapter of rational number. Rational number. Do you know what is rational number? Yes. The rational number is the number which can be represented in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. P and Q both are integers. The rational numbers are those which are represented in the form of P by Q form, where Q is not equal to 0. Then this is called rational numbers. Suppose 3 by 4 is also a rational number. Properties of a rational number. Then property 1. Property 1 of a rational number says, suppose P by Q is a rational number. When you multiply the same integers in both numerator and denominator, then there is no change in value. This is called the equivalent rational numbers. Suppose 3 by 4 is a rational number and you multiply minus 3 and minus 3 both in numerator and denominator, you get minus 9 upon minus 12. This is equivalent rational number of 3 by 4. Means 3 by 4 is equal to minus 9 minus 12. Okay. Then the property 2. This is property 1. The property 2 says, if we divide the same number, suppose P by Q is a rational number, you divide n both in numerator and denominator, then also you get the same value P by Q. Suppose 15 by 9 is a rational number and you divide 3 in both numerator and denominator, you get 5 by 3. Then 15 by 9 is equal to 5 by 3. The value of 15 by 9 is equal to the 5 by 3. If we divide or multiply the same number in both numerator and denominator, then there is no change in value. Then what is the standard form of a rational number? The standard form of a rational number says that in which the rational number there is no negative sign in the denominator and they are in lowest term. Suppose look at here. Suppose minus 22 upon 11. Minus 22 upon minus 11. This is not in standard form. Then this is minus 22 upon 11. Minus sign cancel. Then also this is not in standard form because they are not in lowest term. Then you can divide both by 11. 11 1 ja, 11 2 ja. Then 2 by 1. Yes, 2 by 1 is in the standard form. Then here the fraction can be compared. The rational number can be compared by two methods. The comparison of rational numbers. The comparisons. This is the revision video, students. Please you do the whole your book and attend my revision video regularly. Then I promise you there will be no need of any maths extra classes. Through my video you will revise your exercises and ask me your doubt. Then you can compare the rational numbers by two methods. Suppose 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5. Then you can compare the rational numbers minus 4 by 15. You can compare the rational numbers by making the same denominator. This is minus 3 by 5. By making the same denominator. Suppose this is minus 3 by 5. This is minus 4 by 15. The LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Then make the 5 into 15. 5 to 15. To make the denominator same denominator, you have to make the 5 into 15. To 5 to 15 means multiply 3. When you multiply 3 in the denominator, you have to multiply in the numerator, otherwise the value will change. This is minus 9 upon 15 and this is minus 4 upon 15. Then here you both have same denominator. Here you think about the numerator, which is greater. Minus 9 is less than minus 4. This means minus 9 upon 15 is less than minus 4 upon 15, which imply minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 4 by 15. Okay. Then this is the method of by making same denominator. Another method is cross multiplications method. Minus 3 by 5 minus 4 by 15. When you compare any rational numbers by the cross multiplication method, at first change it into the standard form. Then can you do? Otherwise you will get the wrong answers. Look at here. This is the cross multiplications method. Then this is minus 45 minus 20. Which is greater? Minus 20 is greater than minus 45. This shows minus 3 by 5 is less than minus 4 by 15. Okay. Then as I have told you, when you compare by the cross multiplication method, at first change it into the standard form, otherwise you get the wrong answer. Suppose you have to compare 5 by minus 2 minus 1 by 5. When you compare these two rational numbers, convert it into standard form. This is not in standard form. This is minus 5 by 2 minus 1 by 5. Then compare by cross multiplication method. You get minus 25 minus 2. Which is greater? Minus 2 is greater. This means minus 5 by 2 is less than minus 1 by 5. Either if you have not convert it into standard form and do the process, then you will get a wrong answer. Look at here. Without converting into standard form, you can use the cross multiplication method. 5 upon minus 2 minus 1 upon 5. Then use the cross multiplication method. This is 25, then this is 2. 25 is greater than 2. This means this shows you 5 upon minus 2 is greater than minus 1 upon 5. This is the wrong answer. Okay. Then as I have told you, always convert it into the standard form. Then look at here. Here you have to simplify. Let us do some problems to revise your memory. Here recall the integers. You have to solve this. Find the value. Find the value. This shows find the value minus plus 384 minus of minus 137. This is minus 212 plus 384 minus of minus 137 means plus 137. Then look at here. Minus 212, let it here. Then add this 7 plus, by adding this we get 1, 9, 12, 1. This is 521. This is 521 minus 212 means this is 521 minus 212. Then we get this is 309. 309 is the answer. To do the problems of rational number, at first you have to clear about the integers. Then that's why I only revise the integer addition and subtraction, simplification of integers. Then next, how you show the rational numbers in a number line. How can you show the rational numbers in a number lines? You know, suppose you have to show minus 5 by 2, 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2 in the number line. Draw the number line. This is 0 and the left side is for negative and the right side is for positive. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4. Look at here. This is minus 5 by 2. At first convert it into, this is improper, convert it into mix. Then we get this is minus 2 whole 1 by 2. Minus 2 whole 1 by 2 means this is in between this is in between minus 2 and minus 3. Then this is in between minus 2 and minus 3. The denominator is 2. Then divide it into 2 parts. Then this is 1. Then this is the minus 5 by 2. Then here 3 by 2. Then convert 3 by 2 into mixed. Then this is 1 whole 1 by 2. 1 whole 1 by 2 means this is in between 1 and 2. The denominator is 2. Then divide it into 2 parts. Then this is 3 by 2. Then this is minus 3 by 2. Then convert it into mixed. Then this is minus 1 whole 1 upon 2. Minus 1 whole 1 upon 2 means this is in between minus 1 and minus 2. The denominator is 2. This means divide it into 2 parts. This is minus 3 by 2. Okay. Then another. Then please students, you do your whole exercises. This is the revision video and ask me your doubt. Here the properties of rational number says, property 1 says, if you multiply the same integer in both numerator and denominator, then there will no change in value. And if you divide the same integer in both numerator and denominator, then there is no change in value. Then do some exercises. And they are called equivalent rational numbers. Here, so that are they equivalent rational numbers? Here the question says 4 upon minus 7 and 8 upon minus 14. Are they both equivalent rational number or not? Then use the cross multiplication method. Then at first use the cross multiplication method. At first convert it into standard form and use the cross multiplication method. This is if you get the same value, means 14 4 ja minus 56, 7 into minus 8 minus 56. Minus 56 is equal to minus 56. Yes, 4 upon minus 7 is the equivalent rational number is 8 upon minus 14. Okay. Then another question. Keep it here. Then solve some more questions. Here another question says, do variety of questions. Another question says, suppose 5 upon 8 and minus 15 upon 24. Are they equivalent or not? Then use the cross multiplications. 24 5 ja 120. 15 8 ja minus 15 into 8 minus 120. Are they equal? 120 is equal with minus 120? No. This means 5 upon 8 and minus 15 upon 24 are not equivalent rational number. Okay. Then here, then do some more examples in each of this case so that the numbers are equivalent or not. Do some more examples. Here 4 by 9. Here another question says, suppose 4 by 9 and 44 upon 99. Are they equivalent rational numbers? Look at here, 4 by 9 and 44 upon 99. Is this in standard form? No, because they are not in lowest term. You can divide 11 both in numerator and denominator. Then we get 4 upon 9. This is 4 upon 9. This is 4 upon 9. Yes, 4 upon 9 and 44 upon 99 are equivalent rational numbers. Okay. Then what is the standard form? I have already told you the standard form is there is no negative sign in denominator and they both numerator and denominator are in lowest term. This is called the standard form of the rational number. Minus 22 upon minus 55. Are they in standard form? No. 22 upon 55. This is also not in standard form. You can divide both numerator and denominator by 11. You get 2 upon 5. Yes, this is the standard form of the rational number. Here, if they both are equivalent rational number, then find the value of x. Here in this question says, if 9 upon minus 5 and x upon 10 x upon 10 are equivalent rational numbers, then find the value of x. Use the cross multiplication method. This is 90 is equal to minus 5x. As they both are equivalent rational numbers, means when we cross multiply, this will be same, means minus 5x equal to 90, x equal to 90 upon minus 5, then this is minus 18. The value of x is minus 18, means 9 upon minus 5 and minus 8 upon 10 are both are equivalent rational numbers. Okay, then here the question says, what do you mean by the absolute value of the rational number? Absolute value means always positives. Suppose absolute value of minus 1 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon 5. Absolute value of minus 2 upon minus 5 is 2 upon 5. Absolute value of 0 upon minus 4 is equal to 0, which equal to 0. This is the absolute value of the rational numbers. Then I have already told you how can you represent the rational number in number line. Then compare the rational number. Comparison of rational number by two methods, either making the denominator same or by the cross multiplications method. You may apply any method and do your exercises. Here I will solve some examples for you. Suppose 7 upon 5 and 8 upon 7. Compare both these. First method says making same denominator. Find the LCM of 7 and 5 is 35. Then make the denominator 35. To make the denominator 35, you have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with 7. Then this is 49 upon 35. Then here 8 upon 7. To make it the denominator 35, both multiply with 5. You get 40 upon 35. Then here the same denominator, which is greater, 49 or 40. 49 is greater than 40. This shows 49 upon 35 is greater than 40 upon 35. This means 7 upon 5 is greater than 8 upon 7. Then this is the method by making the same denominator. Here another method is also applicable by cross multiplication method. Then the cross multiplication method shows this is 49, this is 40. Which is greater? 49 is greater. This means 7 by 5 is greater than 8 upon 7. Okay. And remember one thing which is very important while you compare by the cross multiplication method, at first convert it into the standard form. Then here you compare both the rational numbers which is greater. Okay. Then please students do your exercises and ask me your doubt today this much. In my next sessions we will start with the new chapters. Okay.